Ahoy there, YouTube. I'm going to do a quick update for you guys, kind of get you up to speed in the 86 Tercel over here, what the plans are, what I'm working on, and everything like that. So, I guess for starters, I basically, right now where I'm sitting is I'm waiting until I get an engine put in it, and as soon as I get an engine and transmission put in it, then I figure from there it'll be worth doing CV shafts, doing brakes, and everything like that. That way I'm not taking things in and out a bunch of times. I gotta get the drive shaft balanced and a bunch of other fun stuff. So I have a video that's gonna be dropping, I think in 2 weeks from now or a week from today, of the cylinder head that tear down, and I kind of allude a little bit to what's going on, but I'm just gonna kind of give a full update right here in this video. Over here, got a 4A FE bottom end, which is essentially the same as a 4A bottom end. It's just a dual overhead cam cylinder head. I have that completely stripped down right now. I have a cylinder head from a Corolla, FX Corolla, and that's the manifolds right there. And this is the cylinder head right here. It's a swirl port 4AC head. So I am gonna plan on going through this and getting this all rebuilt at some point in time. Things are a little bit knocked over and messy on my workbench. So I apologize. I was in the process of doing like 408 things this week. So the plan is to get this engine completely gone through, get it put back together. I didn't do a video, a teardown on it, just for the fact that I wanted to be able to take pictures, I wanted to be able to kind of see where everything is and where everything's going. I have a bunch of different stuff, hopefully in the works for this car here at some point in time soon. I gotta swap out pistons and do a bunch of other little things for it. I am most excited about is the sticker wrap that I'm gonna be throwing on this car. I'm working with a company right now called Regal Decals. I'll kind of link their Instagram right over here. They are recreating for me a 1983 Toyota Tercel wagon that ran in a Paris-Dakar rally. I kind of mentioned it several videos ago. I think when I first started doing this thing, I was talking about wrapping it that way, or maybe I was talking about wrapping that car with it. I'm not 100% positive. Yeah, I got the stickers basically on order. They worked with me on recreating all the stickers. So the plan is I got to get some two-wheel drive fenders, and I got to get the hood resprayed, and I'm going to go ahead and throw a front end off of a 1985, I think. Oh, it's a UK version of this front end to kind of match actually how the Paris-Dakar rally car would have looked. A super awesome Instagram user called Toyota Sprinter Carib. I'll link his Instagram right around here somewhere. He sent me a whole front clip to match it up. I need a four-wheel drive emblem for the front of it, and I'd like to get little side marker lights that they ran over there, and then I'd like to get the little decal over here to say four-wheel drive. I'll kind of snip some pictures over here, what I'm referring to those as well. If any of you guys happen to be in the UK anywhere and have any of those parts available, shoot me an email at tercelrescue@gmail.com. I would love to work with you guys on buying them. And I'm also going to probably be putting my European spec clinometer from Spud in this car. That way it kind of matches how it would have been from the factory. Ideally, I'd like to get a Japanese Carib with an altimeter, and Japanese Carib clinometer with an altimeter in it. That's a mouthful of words. Lots of big words today. Anyway, so that's going to be the plan with what happens with this car. I'm going to plan on running a 4AC in it, probably a Weber carburetor, and a couple of little odds and ends. I'm not planning on lifting it because I want to run it in SCCA Rallycross. Something I've never done, something I think would be a ton of fun to do. I'm most of the way through the back section and the interior of this car. I'm going to put a clinometer in here, so I'll show you guys that in a video at some point in time. I might do a good interior cleaning video at some point and pull the crap out of it because there's just piles and piles of parts. And I'm going to swap this front seat out with another front seat. But yeah, I got to do the front suspension and everything like that. But again, I don't think it's really worth it until I have an engine and a transmission in it. That way I can just do wheel bearings, bolt the CV shafts in place, get them all in line, get new tie rods ends on it and everything like that, and just do it all at one time versus trying to take everything apart. And so yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Yeah, that's just a quick 5-minute update. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I really look forward to what's going to happen with this Tercel. I'm going to keep doing little videos. I got to put the gas tank back in and get a new sending unit on it and a couple of the little odds and ends. So I really am torn between putting small 3 to 5 minute videos out of me doing little things on this car. I don't know if it's worth watching or not. I guess you guys can let me know in the word spot if you think stuff like that is something you're actually interested in. I plan on probably doing a video of installing a clinometer and a bunch of other little things like that, but I think most of the stuff, to me, it's kind of boring, I guess. So yeah, hopefully it's probably not going to happen this summer, but probably next summer we'll start doing some SCCA Rallycross events. Maybe if we get lucky and I get the engine together this year yet, it'll happen this fall. But I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to share with you guys all the fun adventures that I'll be doing with this car. And it's going to be great finally getting on the road after almost 20 years of just sitting in a driveway and collecting dust and slowly rotting away. So anyway, that's all for me. Really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.